doing the revision of that all things. Okay, now what we will do, just we finished off the first chapter and the second chapter. Now we'll move on to the third chapter, that is keeping clean. Okay, how to maintain ourselves, how to be clean, how to be maintain surrounding clean, how to maintain ourselves clean, and how to advise others to be clean. Okay, about these all things we studied in the chapter. And what all good rules are there to maintain the cleanliness, and what all bad habits that we don't have to follow in our life, that also we studied. I told you in the previous class only that from the chapter I selected some of the questions. Okay, and we'll give the questions from that. Just copy it in your fair notes and revise that again and again. Okay, because these all questions are from the middle of the chapters. Okay, we selected some of the questions in the middle and we'll revise it. Okay children, we'll start with our worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 3, chapter what? Keeping clean. Okay, before we start the revision, what we will do? Prayer. Okay, all of you close your eyes and repeat after me. गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपितजम्बू वल्सारभक्षितं उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. Okay, now we'll start with the first main, that is tick the correct answer. The first main is what? Tick correct the correct answers. Okay, you have to see which is correct in that, select it and write it. Okay, the first question, we should brush our teeth sometimes or twice a day. We should, ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಿನ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 2 times ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What we have to do children, we should brush our teeth, write like this only in your class work. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಸಾತೀನಿ ಹಂಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Teeth sometimes but twice a day. How many times we have to brush children? Twice every day, morning and before we go to bed we have to brush. Okay, we have to brush it twice time to get a healthy teeth. Second question, always throw waste in dustbins or park. Where we have to throw the waste? In park we have to throw, or in dustbin? We have to throw it in a dustbin to maintain cleanliness, surrounding cleanliness. ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಾಕ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಒಗಿಬೇಕು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಸನೆಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆತ ಅಥವಾ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆತ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಒಳಗ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ವೆಟ್ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ and the dry dustbin ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ. ವೆಟ್ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇನು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ವೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಡ್ರೈ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಲೈಕ್ ಲೀಫ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಸ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಧೂಳು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು ನೀವು ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರೈ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ then we can be healthy and we can see the cleanliness around us. Okay, third question, wear clean or dry clothes, dirty clothes. Which type of clothes we have to wear children? ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಲಸಾಗಿದ್ದ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು? Which type of clothes we have to wear? Clean clothes we have to wear. ಅದು ಏನ ಡೈಲಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ನಾವು ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನೀನೇ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಗೋ ಹೊಲಸಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀರೊಳಗೆ ಎತ್ತಗಿಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್, so we have to wash it regularly and we have to wait. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈರಸ್ ಆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾವ ಅವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ now we move on to the next main. Please copy these questions in your class of children. ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಾ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದೇನಿ ಹಂಗ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay, copy. We'll move on to the next main now. Next one, write T for the true statement, F for the false statement. Write T for true, F for false. Okay. First statement. We have to see whether the statement is true or false. First one. We should keep our nails long. Now ಉದ್ದುದ್ದನ್ನು nails ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. We have to cut the nails regularly. Yes, to be clean, to look clean and to be clean we have to cut our nails. Keep our nails false statement. Okay. Second one, we should flush the toilet every time we use. Now washroom use ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ whenever we are using it, after using flush ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು flush ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then only our surrounding and our toilet will be clean. Okay, the statement is what? True. Next one. We should brush our teeth before going to bed every night. Before going to bed every night. Before we are going to the bed, after having meal, what we have to do? We have to brush our teeth. Because ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾವ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಿ ಒಳಗ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಆಗಕ ವೈರಸ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಕ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ನೈಟ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲಗು ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಷ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೀತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀತಿನ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? True. Okay, this is also a true statement. This is also a true statement. What is the false statement here? We should keep our nails long. No, we have to cut our nails regularly. Okay, understood? Now write this one. Write this. Copy this one. Next one, we'll move on to the third main. Give one word answer. Only one word answer. Simple answers. No long answers. You have to write only one word answers. Give one word. One answer na ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Remaining two answers ನೀವು search ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, this will be the homework. One question answer I will give you in which way we have to write. I will tell you. After that, you have to write remaining two. A place where you can throw a banana peel. Where we have to throw a banana peel, children? Throw a banana where we have to throw the banana peel? In the garbage. In the garbage. Yes. Answer is what? Garbage bin. Dustbin ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಬಿನ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ದು ಏನೇ ನಾವು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬನಾನಾ ಲೀಫ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ದಾರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಗದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾರು ಅದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ತುಳಿದ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ಅದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ನಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ರ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, this is the answer of first question. Like this you have to write. Next question. This will be the homework, children. Copy this one. I will give the homework questions now. Copy this question. I will give you homework questions. Next one. Homework questions. Homework questions. This will be the homework. You have to search it in your textbook only and write the answers. Second question. We use this to keep our hair clean. Answer ಬರಿಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹುಡುಕಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. This is what you can use to wash your hands after using the toilet. What you will use after using toilet. Okay, answer this answer and this answer. You have to search it in your textbook. It's there in your textbook. Please search it and write that. This will be the homework. 2 questions only. I am giving 2 questions for you to complete. Will you complete it, children? Okay, complete this in your class.